Productivity Pro Tips. How to supercharge your life and work with AI. No 5. Are you ready to supercharge your productivity with AI? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 AI websites you must try in 2025. And trust me, you'll want to bookmark these right away. 1, of course, we start with the most popular one. OpenAI's ChatGPT, now part of Microsoft's Edge, is your personal assistant, coder, and idea machine, all in one. From writing emails and generating scripts to getting coding help and brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT can do it all. It's like having a personal assistant, a tutor, and a creative partner, all rolled into one. But that's not all. It can also help you prepare for interviews by providing sample questions and answers, and even reviewing your responses to common interview questions. Whether you're looking for a career change or just want to brush up on your interview skills, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for the job. So go ahead, give it a try and see how it can help you succeed in your career. And by the way, here's a pro tip. Use custom instructions to make it respond in your style. For example, you could say you are a professor, or you are a witty copywriter. That way ChatGPT will tailor its responses to match your needs. Number 2, Notion AI. If you're a student, creator, or professional, Notion AI is perfect for organizing notes, summarizing documents, and auto-generating content. You just type what you need, summarize this, create a to-do list, write a blog post, and boom, it does it for you inside your workspace. 3, Runway ML. This one's for creators. Runway lets you edit videos with AI, remove objects, change backgrounds, and even generate new scenes from text prompts. Imagine creating an entire cinematic video without shooting a single frame. That's the power of Runway? No. For Durable Co., want a website in 30 seconds? Durable builds a complete professional-looking website with just one prompt. Perfect for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who needs a quick online presence without hiring a developer. Number 5, Gamma app. Forget boring slides. Gamma uses AI to turn your ideas into beautiful presentations, docs, and websites instantly. Just type your topic and it creates everything. Layout, images, and text in seconds. Perfect for students and professionals. Now let's dive into some bonus picks that are worth checking out too. First up, we have Perplexity.ai. Think of it as your personal research assistant. Instead of manually searching through tons of websites, Perplexity uses AI to quickly sift through countless sources and provide you with clear, concise answers. And the best part? It cites its sources so you can double-check the information or dive deeper into the topic. It's like having a smarter, faster version of Google at your fingertips. Alright, so those are my top AI websites for 2025. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And yes, hit that like button if you discovered something new, and subscribe to Tech with me for more cool tech updates. Now, if you want to level up your AI game even more, I've got the perfect video for you. Check out top 5 AI tools that you should use right now, where I share more amazing tools that will blow your mind. Don't miss out. Click here to watch now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.